Hey guys, this is Eric from Planting Seeds for Life, and I got a new backdrop here. I am over at my mom and dad's house, and we're spending some time over here because this is where my wife is going to begin recovering. And I saw the news today, came across YouTube about the new rules that they're having before monetization, and so I just wanted to do a really quick shout out or two. If you guys don't have them already, check out Beerbelliedtravelers. I've watched quite a few of their episodes, and I am number 2. I would like to shout out Happy Trails Hiking. Ever since they came on Yankees Outdoor Adventures meet and greet, I have been keeping track of them, and they have a lot of neat hikes that you can watch, and like I was saying to them tonight, some of them are making me homesick because I grew up out west. Number 3, Joe from Two Dogs is really gotten me to thinking about some different kind of things that he does around his place. Number 4 is CB's Greenhouse and Garden. These guys are great. They do a lot of gardening videos, and they also are fighting through adversity, which is something that I speak a lot about on this channel, because I know that there's people out there that are, and I want them to be encouraged. And number 5, BobMels Gardens. If you don't have him, you need to go over there because he's a really neat guy. He is involved in so many different aspects of this community that I had no idea. I was always just happy to have him come by my channel and comment because he always has a nice word to say. But I've seen him do so many different things lately that I am always amazed. Anyway, he's a great guy. Go check him out. Now, I don't know about their watch time or anything, but I do know that all of these channels are below 1,000 subs, and so that's why I wanted to shout them out to give them a little bit of a boost. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.